Let's be real for a second. Everything is getting more expensive. You ever look at your bank account at the end of the month and just think, where did it all go? It's a feeling we all know. But what if that phone you're holding, the one you're already scrolling on for hours a day, could be turned into a personal ATM? What if you could start seeing real cash hit your account every single day just by using a few powerful apps? In the next few minutes, I'm showing you the 8 best apps for 2025 that pay you for things you're probably already doing. And the best part? You can get started literally the second this video ends. You're already on your phone, so why not get paid for it? It's a total no-brainer. This isn't some shady, get-rich-quick fantasy. This is about being smart with your time and turning your daily habits into a steady stream of extra cash. In this video, I'm breaking down 8 legit apps that are set to be huge in 2025. We're talking apps that will pay you for your grocery receipts, your online shopping habit, playing games, and even for your unique skills. I'll walk you through how each one works, what you can actually expect to earn, and how you get your money, whether you want cold, hard cash sent to your PayPal, or you'd rather stack up gift cards to your favorite stores. We're covering a ton of ground, so you can pick the apps that fit your life perfectly. And you'll definitely want to stick around to the end because I've got a bonus tip that shows you how to stack these apps to seriously multiply your earnings. Let's jump in. All right, kicking things off at number 1 is a must-have for anyone who buys food. The app is Ibotta, and its idea is genius in its simplicity. Get actual cash back on your groceries. I mean, think about it. You're going to the store anyway. You're buying milk, bread, and snacks. With Ibotta, you're turning that shopping list into a paycheck. Here's the breakdown. Before you shop, you just open the app and add offers for stuff you were already going to buy. We're not talking about weird, obscure products. These are deals on hundreds of brands you already know and love. You add the offers, shop like normal, and when you get home, you just snap a quick picture of your receipt. That's it. Ibotta finds the matches and drops cash right into your account. Seriously, it's not crazy to get $5 or more back on a single $100 trip. The beauty of Ibotta is that it's money you earn for doing something you have to do anyway. And it's real cash, not just points. Once you hit the $20 minimum, you can cash out straight to your bank, PayPal, or grab a gift card. It's one of the easiest and most consistent ways to put money back where it belongs, in your wallet. Next up at number 2, we have the undisputed king of online shopping cashback, Rakuten. If you ever shop online, and let's be honest, who doesn't, then not using Rakuten is basically like choosing to pay more for no reason. It's an absolute essential. The process couldn't be smoother. You either start your shopping spree in the Rakuten app or use their super handy browser extension. When you land on a partner store site, a little box pops up, you click to activate cashback, and then you just shop like you always do. Rakuten works with over 3,500 stores, including monsters like Amazon, Walmart, Target, and Nike. You buy your stuff, the store pays Rakuten a commission for sending you to them, and then Rakuten splits that commission with you. The earnings can add up fast. Depending on the store, you can get anywhere from 1% to 10% or even more back on your purchase. Plenty of users bank hundreds of dollars a year just by clicking a single button before they shop. Rakuten pays you every 3 months, either through PayPal or an old-school paper check. Plus, their referral program is awesome for boosting your earnings even more. This is pure passive income for your shopping habits. Coming in at number 3 is the Swiss Army knife of rewards apps, Swagbucks. If you like having a bunch of different ways to earn from one place, this is your jam. Swagbucks has been around forever and has paid out hundreds of millions to its users, so you know they're the real deal. Swagbucks lets you earn points, called SB, for all kinds of easy online tasks. You can get paid to take surveys, watch video clips, play games, try out new apps, or use their shopping portal. It's the perfect app for all that dead time in your day. Waiting for your coffee? Knock out a quick survey. Binge watching a show on the couch. Let some videos play on your phone. It turns wasted moments into cash. The earning potential varies, but making a few extra bucks a day is totally doable. Some of their game offers are wild, paying out $50 or more if you can reach a certain level in time. When you're ready to cash out, the minimum is super low. You can grab some gift cards for as little as $3 or get a PayPal deposit once you hit the $5 mark. With so many ways to earn, you'll never get bored. Okay, let's switch gears from earning passively to earning actively with app number 4, Fiverr. If you have a skill, any digital skill like writing, graphic design, voiceovers, video editing, you name it, Fiverr is a goldmine. This is where we stop talking about pennies and start talking about paychecks. Fiverr is a massive freelance marketplace where you offer your services or gigs to the entire world. You just create a gig outlining what you do, set your price, and clients can hire you. You could be designing a logo for a startup, writing articles for a blog, or editing a podcast. You can start small with $5 or $10 gigs to build your reputation and get some good reviews, then scale up to premium packages worth hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Your earning potential on Fiverr is basically up to you. It's a direct reflection of your skill and your hustle. Not everyone becomes a six-figure freelancer overnight, but many people have absolutely turned their Fiverr side hustle into a full-time career, earning thousands every single month. Fiverr handles all the payments securely, so you never have to worry about getting paid. If you're ready to get paid for a skill you already have, Fiverr is one of the best places to start in 2025. If Fiverr is for landing gigs, then our fifth app, Upwork, is for building a career. While Fiverr is great for single projects, Upwork is the premier platform for finding more professional, long-term, and high-value freelance work. If you're a skilled writer, developer, consultant, or marketer, this is where you connect with serious businesses looking to hire. On Upwork, you build out a professional profile that's basically your online resume, showing off your skills and portfolio. Then you can browse a huge job board and submit proposals for projects you like, from quick tasks to full-time remote contracts. The platform has amazing protections for freelancers. For hourly projects, you log your time, and their payment protection guarantees you get paid. For fixed-price jobs, the client funds an escrow account before you even start. This is where you can command professional rates for your expertise. It's not uncommon for top-tier freelancers to pull in $50 to over $150 an hour. It takes work to get to that level, but it shows you what's possible. Payments are streamlined and can be sent right to your bank or PayPal. If you're serious about building a real freelance business, you need to be on Upwork. Let's get back to effortless money with app number 6, Fetch Rewards. If you thought Ibotta was easy, Fetch is on another level of simple. This is honestly the laziest receipt scanning app in the best way possible. Here's the magic: you scan any receipt from any store, a supermarket, a corner store, a restaurant, a gas station, it doesn't matter. Every single receipt earns you points. You just open the app, tap the camera, and snap a pic. It takes 10 seconds tops. You get points for every receipt, but you get huge bonus points when you buy products from their partner brands. And the best part, you don't have to pre-select any offers. The app just scans the receipt and gives you the points automatically. You can also link your email and Amazon accounts to have it scan your e-receipts for you, making it almost completely passive. The points you collect can be redeemed for gift cards to places like Amazon, Target, and Starbucks, starting at just $3. Fetch won't make you a millionaire, but it's an unbelievably easy and consistent way to get rewarded for every dollar you spend. To all my gamers out there, app number 7 is just for you. It's called Mistplay, and it pays you to do what you already love: play games on your phone. It's basically a loyalty program for mobile gamers and a super fun way to score some pocket money. Mistplay is for Android users, and it shows you a library of new games to try. You download them through Mistplay, and the app tracks your playtime and the levels you beat. The more you play, the more units you earn. Honestly, it's a great way to discover new games you might actually end up loving, and you get paid to do it. Now, let's be real, this won't replace your day job. Most users earn enough for a $5 or $10 gift card after a few weeks of casual play. But hey, if you're already spending time on mobile games, you might as well get some free Visa or Amazon gift cards for it, right? It's a legit app that turns your gaming hobby into a nice little side hustle. Our final app, number 8, is a total game changer if you own a car. It's called Turo, and people call it the Airbnb for cars for good reason. This app lets you turn your car, a depreciating asset that probably sits idle most of the day, into an income-generating machine. The platform lets you rent your personal car out to other people. You list your car on the app, set your daily price, upload some nice photos, and mark its availability on a calendar. Turo handles the insurance and provides protection plans to give you peace of mind. The earning potential here is huge. Depending on your car, your city, and how often you make it available, you could earn hundreds or even over $1,000 a month. I saw one host who reported averaging around $2,000 a month per vehicle. Of course, results will vary, but that shows you the insane potential here. This is an incredible way to generate passive income that can help you crush your car payment, insurance, and maintenance costs. Turo handles the payments, and the money gets deposited right into your account. If your car isn't being used 24/7, you need to look into this. So there you have it, 8 killer apps to start making money. But before you click away, here's that bonus tip I promised. The real secret to maximizing your earnings is to become an app stacker. Don't just use one, combine them to create a money-making ecosystem. Think about it, you use Rakuten for online shopping, then Ibotta and Fetch for your in-store receipts. You use Swagbucks on your lunch break and Mistplay to unwind at night. Each app hits a different part of your daily routine. By stacking them, you're making sure you're almost always in a position to earn. Then you supercharge it by hitting the referral programs hard. Once you find an app you love, share your code with friends and family. Apps like Rakuten give you generous cash bonuses for this, creating yet another income stream for almost no work. By stacking apps and leveraging referrals, all those little streams of income start to flow together into one big, significant river of cash. From cashback on groceries with Ibotta and Fetch, to earning on your online sprees with Rakuten, to building a real business on Fiverr and Upwork, there has never been a better time to make your phone work for you. The key is to stop scrolling mindlessly and start earning intentionally. Find 2 or 3 apps from this list that you're genuinely excited about and commit to using them. The money is out there, waiting for you to claim it. Every receipt scanned, every survey taken, and every gig completed is one step closer to where you want to be financially. If you got value out of this video, do me a huge favor and smash that like button. It seriously helps the channel grow, and make sure you subscribe and ring the notification bell. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these apps are you most excited to try first? Drop your answer in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.